Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Madjid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today we're gonna talk about the scent of Mauboussin Colognes in Black. This fragrance was released in 2015 by the house of Mauboussin, and the nose behind this fragrance was Natalie Fitzor. Mauboussin Colognes in Black is a flanker of the original one that was released in 2012, Mauboussin Colognes, the Eau de Toilette version. So this one that came in 2015, it's classified as amber woody fragrance for men. The scent is a gourmand scent that you can use it in the cold days of spring, fall, and winter also, and it's more to use it in the night more than the day. The notes in this fragrance is a caramel, Italian mandarin, mint in the top, and in the middle we have sage, black violet, Virginia cedar, and in the base or the main notes we have benzoin, gaiac wood, and Indonesian patchouli leaf. This fragrance comes in 100 ml. The box here is black. For those who miss the unboxing, I made a video of full unboxing. You can check it. I will let for you the link in the description. As I said, this one comes in a black box. In the front we have Mauboussin Colognes here mentioned in black. It's a little bit you can touch these letters here. Also you can touch it. The sign of Mauboussin also you can touch it. You can feel the touch of it. In the back side we have profound desire, phantasme extreme, deep desire, extreme phantasme. Mauboussin here, the touch is not, you can't feel it when I touch it. We have also here some informations regarding the ingredient and something like that. I show for you these details to do not buy the fake one. This one is original. In the bottom of the box, as you see with me here, we have some details. This fragrance comes in eau de perfume concentration. As you see here we have the code 121 101 3.3 Oz. And the bottle, as you see with me here, I missed something here. I should to show for you. As you see with me, when you open it, you will see Mauboussin Colognes, as you see with me here. And also in the top, it's right, Mauboussin Colognes. Okay. The bottle, as you see here, it's a respectful bottle. I loved this design. As you see with me here, it's a beautiful bottle. Here we have small cave. They write here Mauboussin Colognes. As you see with me, I have some details in the bottom of this bottle. Sorry, it's a little bit heavy. As you can see with me here, these details, Mauboussin Colognes in black. The same letters as we see in the bottom side of the box. In the back side of the bottle we have nothing. In the side they write in black, as you see with me here, in golden or silver, between silver and golden color. In the other side we have nothing. In the top of the cup also nothing. As you see with me here, this bottle that came in 100 ml, the cup it can hold this bottle easily. You see with me here. This cup is a little bit cheap. They write here Mauboussin, as you see with me here. It's plastic cup, it's cheap, but it holds the bottle anyway. The spray, as you see here, I will spray for you to see how it spray, but there is something I don't respect in this spray. When you spray it, some juice you will feel it in your hand. You will see with me. You see, there is some juice in my hand. So the sprayer is not good. Sprayer, I will give it 4 of 10. When you spray it in the first time in the opening, it have a beautiful classic opening. Here the scent, it's not unique. When you spray it, definitely you will remember that you smell like this fragrance in the past, but the opening is beautiful. Wow, you can smell the mint, you can smell the caramel. It's beautiful in the opening anyway. After that, after 20 minutes or 13 minutes, you will smelling something powdery. I spray from this fragrance and I go to work, and I fall in love with this scent, believe me. There is a scent that I remember when I use this fragrance called Parade de Nuit from geparlys. If you want to know more about Parade de Nuit from geparlys, I will let for you the link in the description from the full unboxing to describing the scent. This powdery aspect that become from Mauboussin Colognes in black, I think it's from the black violet. It's obvious if you like, if you like powdery scent, this one will give you that aspect. But this fragrance is classified as gourmand. You can wear it in parties or to go in the night. Now we are in summer, so this fragrance is designed to use it in fall and winter also, but from my side I use it in summer. I can't wait for the cool days, but you know, in the night you have that beautiful feeling, that cold air, something like that. So for that, this one gives me a long lasting longevity until 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours. It gives me also a beautiful sillage. Anybody who around me they smell me. Also I smell myself. Really, I smell myself. I made spray behind my neck, and at any time when I go to the side or walking back, I smell myself, smell that powdery scent. Also the caramel here, it's a good player. In the opening, you will smell something, as I said before, you will smell mint, you will smell sweetness, but that sweetness, it not stick with you till the end. This sweetness is gone after 15 or 12 minutes, and the powdery aspect, you will smell it. So this is the fragrance of the day. I describe for you the scent to my lovers. The scent, I will give it 7.5. The design, I will give it 8.5. And as I said, the sprayer, I will give it 4.5. This one was the fragrance of the day, Mauboussin Colognes. For those who want to try it, you can try it with no problem. In the future days, I will do for you a review about the first release from this line, Mauboussin Colognes. that came in 2012. It's more woody, it's more versatile for all seasons, not like this one only for fall and winter and the cold days of spring. Thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. Today I describe for you the scent of Mauboussin Colognes. If you have any experience and any idea about this fragrance, please tell us in comments. See you in next video. Thank you.